Lai of the Taiwan Trade Center Manila, Sir Raymond of GCI as well. We at Anytime Fitness are proud to partner with Taiwan Excellence to be able to help launch this very noble and worthy cause to a Philippine nation that seeks to reflect the same values of imagination, ingenuity, industry, and passion as our friends in Taiwan. I want to let everyone know, in case you are not aware, the belief that Anytime Fitness navigates by, the principles with which we operate as the world's largest fitness franchise with over 5,600 clubs on all 43 countries across 7 continents around the world, including Antarctica. 5 years ago, you would all remember the world was besieged by the gravest health crisis in modern history, COVID. You saw that in the video earlier. And you will all remember how the world rallied with innovation and imagination to solve problems around fitness and health that we never had to think about before. But Anytime Fitness, we knew that in the new tomorrow, the world would place a higher value on health, wellness, and active fitness. And we said it is our place to stand side by side with any organization that believes that fitness has a place in the world of tomorrow. I want to show a very short video just to share the mission and the vision of Anytime Fitness and why we stand fully behind the values of this Go Healthy with Taiwan initiative. Let's show the video, please.
Good morning, champions. This is ACH with 1 and 9 minute Asia, bringing the energy right to you. Here's the question to get your journey.
What do you train for? Some climb mountains, some climb the corporate ladder. And Papa, he's just trying out to trip on the stairs again. I'm in travel school worth more than most people do on vacation, with 5,500 plus clubs worldwide. Workout is always within reach. Sound trains where the world goes quiet. 24-hour access means she never misses a workout. AS in-depth body scans that show things your bathroom scale can't. Every step feels like a leap. And it's not just for fitness, and for love. Spoiler, she said yes. But not. Grandpa needs me lifting tiny humans and still having fuel for one more step. Food's getting that. Diaper bags, groceries, car seats, trains for all of them. And grandma's classes turned out as practice for spontaneous dance-offs with her grandkids. Just runs now, so she'll now run the Pony Rush later. Follow box jumps now so you can make those later. At AF, it's not just a sweat, it's the stretch, the breath, the reset. March a little smarter in the gym so you can move smarter on the water. No wars, no problem. We all have our reasons to train, but we can't afford our reasons not to. So wherever you start, whatever time it is, wherever you do it for, every goal, every story, and every stage of life, training for your life at Anytime Fitness.
Thank you. It is an honor at Anytime Fitness Asia to operate the largest gym network across our 8 markets of Taiwan, Hong Kong, Thailand, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Indonesia, approaching 500. And yet, we see this huge challenge ahead of us. Do you realize that in our part of the world, fitness penetration trails massively behind that of the first world developed countries over in the West? We see markets like Australia, United States, where 1 in 4 adults actually has a gym membership. Move that over to our part of the world. Can anyone guess? Do you know what % of people have a membership? Does anyone know? It's 1%. 1%. And that is a huge problem because I am sure all of you remember 15, 18, 20 years ago, people were talking about the rise of the middle class segment in Asia. But the problem is, as Asia became more prosperous, so did the rise of unhealthy habits, access to fast food, vices, metabolic diseases, so on and so forth. And yet, amidst all of this, we said it is our mission to be able to fight this pandemic, the real pandemic of obesity, once and for all. Taiwan, in particular, has always had a soft spot in the hearts of Anytime Fitness. Some of the equipment that you see in our gym was in fact manufactured in Taiwan. So we have seen firsthand the innovation that comes out of this market. We're aware as well that when we look at the Taiwan health conditions as well, where it says half of all Taiwanese adults are obese, overweight, that is something that the Philippines has in common as well. So we come together as one to be able to launch these initiatives, getting one united nation to stand for the same values as this purpose. We're proud to stand here as partners. We are proud to invite everyone, please, once your entry to this particular campaign is qualified, the first 100 will actually be entitled to a 1-month membership at Anytime Fitness, where you can access any of our doors, locally, regionally, internationally, globally, all from day one. We're proud to support you. We stand by this campaign. And on behalf of everyone in this room, I would like to hear one more time the chant for everyone. Go healthy with Taiwan!
Go healthy with Taiwan!
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Anytime Fitness Asia, maraming salamat at mabuhay!